It came, it came, it came. I'm so excited. I got my first Juvias Place palettes. All right, so hi, welcome, or welcome back. My name is Tish, and I get really excited about things sometimes, and sometimes I squeal. It's not that big of a deal, you know. It's not loud, so if you're wearing headphones, hopefully it doesn't like break your eardrums or anything. So I ordered 2 palettes from Juvias Place, and they came. So excited. All right. The first palette is the Saharan 2. Oh yeah. I want to get into this. So when I bought these, the palettes were 2 for $20. And I mean, you can't resist that. I mean, whoa. Okay, I knew the pans were supposed to be huge, but I did not realize they were going to be that big. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. I want to swatch these. I cannot, however, pronounce some of these names, so we might butcher a few of these. Okay. First we have Marrakesh, Aziza, Hadia, and Berber. Ooh, doggy. Oh, wow. These are stunning. Oh, oh boy. Oh. Oh my gosh. Those are beautiful. All right, next. Oh, look at the shift in that one. We have Nomad, Chef Shuan, Fez, and Sora. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. This is definitely, that's a little patchy there. Let's see. Maybe a little light hand would be better with that shade. This is going to get me out of my comfort zone for sure, which we're debating on whether that's a good thing or not, but we're definitely going to try. And the last shade here is Taza. Oh yeah. That is beautiful. Oh, I'm so happy I got these. I'm so excited. All right, and the next one that we got is the Nubian 2. Oh, geez. That is what she looks like. Okay. Are we going to have problems with the names? Maybe not. All right. First we have Morocco, Madagascar, Sheba, and Ya. going on so smooth. These are so pigmented. All right, next we have Jezebel, Zuri, Cleopatra, and Nefertiti. Ooh, that blue is stunning. All right, and the last row we have Nairobi, Layla, Kenya, and Egypt. Ooh. Oh, that green. That is so pretty. These are super pigmented. And that was the Nubian 2 palette by Juvias Place. I am super excited to get into these. I think these are going to push me out of my comfort zone quite a bit. And I'm really excited to play with them. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy. I'm so happy that I was able to get these palettes. I mean, they're so pretty. Okay. So that is my little mini haul from Juvias Place. I can't wait to play with these palettes. I can't wait to play with the colors. I am amazed by the pigment. You know, I've heard that Juvias Place was like excellent eyeshadow formula, but I mean, you never know until you actually get to touch and play with them. So I am very, very happy with my purchase from Juvias Place. All right. So that was the video. And if you like this kind of thing, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Don't like it, give me a thumbs down. If you want to stick around and join my family here, hit the subscribe button. And yeah. So I hope everyone has an amazing day. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye.